Hello, don't have a lot of time here. This is March 15th, 2019. Good morning, spirit of the board named Hope. I don't have a lot of battery. There was something happened this morning. Can you describe it to me? This is a blind reading.
Did a death occur?
No. No, something through yonder window went...
Ow.
Back window. Who did it, Hope? Please. Or what?
Was it done intentionally? Woo. Points to no.
Oh. I have a weird question. Do you think it could have been the cats playing hockey? And then one of them hooked it, and then boom. This...
Accident.
Not by a human? Or I'm not trying to lead you or anything.
Who caused this kind of accident? C-A-T-S-P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Cats playing with an object.
Oh.
That would explain it.
Thank you, Hope. It's silly, huh? But I was curious.
She's pointing yes.
Oh, thank you. Sometimes, Hope, I really appreciate you.
T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U. She said thank you.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, I'll catch you later. I'm gonna stop recording about now. You have anything else to say, Hope? Like, how's the weather where you are? And where are you? I might as well record it.
Just stay well and good.
Oh.
Just stay well and good.
Yes, dear.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye, darling.
Cool.
Alright. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Hello, don't have a lot of time here. This is